Right, Bernama News continues. Malaysia's capital market reached a record high of 4.2 trillion ringgit in 2024, up from 3.8 trillion ringgit, driven by growth in stock market capitalization and bonds and sukuk outstanding. Securities Commission Malaysia announced on Thursday that the local bourse's market capitalization rose to 2.1 trillion ringgit from 1.8 trillion ringgit in the previous year, while total bonds and sukuk outstanding increased to 2.1 trillion ringgit from 2.01 trillion ringgit, supported by continued bond and sukuk issuances, particularly government bonds.
At a press conference for the release of the SC Annual Report 2024, Chairman Dato Muhammad Faiz Azmi highlighted that assets under management in the fund management industry surpassed 1 trillion ringgit for the first time. Meanwhile, fundraising activity reached 138.9 billion ringgit, with a record 55 IPOs, raising 7.42 billion ringgit.
So if I put it in context, SC has been around 30 years. When we came in, the equity market was about 684 billion. It is now 2 trillion. So it's taken, 30 years to get it from about 600 to 2 trillion. So it's not so easy to grow this number. But we'll have a go.
The SC remains cautiously optimistic about the 2025 outlook, supported by Malaysia's strong fundamentals, resilient economy, political stability, and stock market strength. Muhammad Faiz stressed that Malaysia's well-managed market remains a safe investment destination capable of sustaining foreign interests despite volatility driven by U.S. policies under President Donald Trump.
So it's difficult to predict what he will do. But in terms of the market itself, only a few listed companies have direct exposures to the U.S.
Looking ahead, the SC is drafting a new 5-year capital market master plan, focusing on key areas such as improving financing securities for retirees and promoting sustainable financing.
They're not going to let us do anything silly.
Meanwhile, the SC is reviewing its fees to ensure a sustainable regulatory environment for capital market growth. Muhammad Faiz said a proposal to revise intermediary fees will be submitted to the Finance Ministry by March end. He stressed that SC's goal is cost coverage, not profit, as it subsidizes industry growth initiatives.
But we don't want to try and do it by just telling you we're doing it. We want to have a conversation and see, if I did it, what would be the impact to your profit? Because I go back to this other point, I don't want it to be so painful that you have to pass the cost to the consumers. That's not the idea.
The chairman also added that it is crucial for the regulator to remain independent and not seeking funding from the government.